Fixing merge conflicts in Bitbucket involves resolving discrepancies between different branches changes before merging them. Here's a step-by-step guide to address merge conflicts. Identify the conflict. Initiate a merge. When you attempt to merge branches, Bitbucket will indicate if there are merge conflicts. View conflicts. Navigate to the pull request with conflicts. Bitbucket will display a message about the conflict and typically won't allow the merge until it's resolved. Resolve conflicts locally. Clone the repository. Check out the target branch. Fetch and merge the source branch. Resolve conflicts. Git will mark conflicted files. Open these files and manually resolve conflicts, which are indicated by conflict markers. Edit these sections to combine the changes. Add and commit. Push the resolved changes. Push the updates. Update pull request. Verify in Bitbucket. Go back to Bitbucket, where the pull request should now reflect the resolved conflicts. You can then complete the merge.